Greetings, everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you my incredible journey of generating passive income through anonymous Instagram accounts. In just 2 years, I managed to turn these accounts into a profitable business that generates over $200,000. The most impressive part? It operates almost entirely on autopilot. If you're feeling motivated and ready to dive in, pay close attention to the steps I'm about to unveil. With this concrete action plan, you can potentially achieve similar results and start earning today. The crucial first step is to choose a niche that genuinely interests you. Creating content consistently on a topic that interests you will keep you motivated in the long run. Remember, you'll be spending a lot of time developing this theme. I've personally found success in various fields, such as travel, sports, health, and fitness. Fortunately, nowadays, it's possible to build an audience around almost any subject. Step 2. To create engaging content, you'll need 2 main tools: video editing software for Reels and a graphic design tool for your posts. If you're a student looking for a budget-friendly option, Adobe Creative Cloud offers a package for less than $15 per month, including Adobe Premiere Pro for editing and Photoshop and Illustrator for design. Fortunately, there are also free or affordable alternatives like CapCut for editing and Canva for design. In fact, I personally used Canva to grow my first account to over 2 million followers. Step 3. Understanding Instagram's algorithm. Forget the era where the number of likes was the holy grail on Instagram. To hope to go viral and quickly grow your audience, it's crucial to understand how the algorithm works today. The 3 key elements considered by Instagram's algorithm are as follows. Watch time. The more time users spend watching your content, the more likely it is to be highlighted by the algorithm. Saves. If users frequently save your content, it's a strong signal to the algorithm that it's relevant and engaging. Shares. When users share your content in their stories or send it to a friend, it indicates to the algorithm that it's of interest and deserves to be seen by a wider audience. Based on my observations, the average watch time is between 3 and 5 seconds. Similarly, the average save rate is about 5 saves per 1,000 impressions, and the average share rate is about 2 shares per 1,000 impressions. However, it's important to note that my most viral posts have far exceeded these averages, sometimes up to 10 times more. By leveraging these indicators and creating content that captures attention and encourages engagement, you'll maximize your account's visibility. Creating viral posts with Canva. Let's take the example of a motivation-focused channel. Here's how to create engaging posts with Canva. 1. First slide. Create a catchy hook, a phrase, or an image that immediately grabs attention and arouses the viewer's intrigue. 2. Subsequent slides. Use ChatGPT to generate 7 motivational quotes related to your theme. You can refine your search based on your niche. Quotes from famous athletes for a sports page. 3. Customization. Feel free to adjust colors and add graphics to make your posts visually appealing. This type of content, both informative and aesthetic, often resonates well with the audience. Step 4. Creating viral reels. Since the arrival of TikTok, Instagram strongly encourages the creation of reels. It's a fantastic opportunity to grow your audience rapidly and exponentially. Here are some examples of viral reels. A reel with over 1.5 million likes and 16 million views for an account created less than a month ago and with only 11 posts. This account managed to gather over 80,000 followers in record time. Another impressive example, an account with only 39 posts, created less than 3 months ago, already has over 1.3 million followers thanks to its engaging reels. My personal experience confirms this. I managed to get over 4 million views on a simple meme video. Creating viral videos with 11 Labs, Midjourney, and CapCut. Here's how to create viral videos using a combination of tools. 1. Start by generating motivational quotes with ChatGPT. 2. Create a narrative for your video. You can use your own voice or a high-quality synthetic voice generated by 11 Labs. 3. For your video animation, use Midjourney to create relevant and appealing backgrounds related to your quote. 4. Don't forget to add automatic subtitles to your video for better accessibility and optimal understanding by all viewers. This method is just one example of what currently works for viral content. I'll introduce more advanced techniques and even more effective content creation strategies in future videos. Step 4. Sharing your content. Strategically, before publishing your content, ask yourself these crucial questions to maximize its impact and viral potential. Does this content motivate people? Step 5. Analyze and adapt. Analyzing your results is essential for refining your strategy and optimizing your performance. For example, I noticed that my audience responded very positively to slide posts, so I intensified their production, and it paid off significantly. significantly. Instagram provides valuable statistics that allow you to track your account's progress and measure the impact of your content. Among these valuable data, you'll find the reach of your posts, the total number of unique users who have seen your content, the source of your traffic. Where do your visitors come from? Did they arrive on your account via search, your homepage, or through other users? The number of likes, shares, and saves. These indicators allow you to assess your audience's engagement. The winners on Instagram are those who carefully study this data and adjust their content accordingly. By analyzing your results, you'll identify what works best with your audience and refine your strategy to maximize your reach and engagement. Step 6. Monetize your account. All the work done so far means almost nothing if you don't find a way to generate revenue. This is where many content creators struggle. However, I assure you that monetizing an Instagram account is entirely possible. I personally managed to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars through my accounts. In the upcoming videos, I'll introduce several creative methods to monetize your Instagram account. For today, let's focus on the opportunities offered by advertisements. Companies are willing to pay significant amounts to target specific audiences online. For example, if your account focuses on investment, you can offer your services to day trading companies or financial apps like Robinhood. Most of these companies aren't even aware of content creators like you, so it's essential to contact them directly and present your services. Here's an example of a message you can send to a company via LinkedIn. Hi Lynn, I'm reaching out to you today because I manage the Finance Future page on Instagram with over 200,000 followers passionate about personal finance. We're looking for partners for advertising collaborations in June, and I think Robinhood could be very interested in our engaged community. Success on Instagram isn't a sprint, but a marathon. Even if you're eager to see immediate results, I encourage you to focus on consistency and regularity. Strive to publish quality content every day, pushing yourself each time. Most people give up quickly because they can't maintain a regular posting frequency. Don't worry about being perfect from the start. Focus on consistency and producing quality content in the long run. That's how you'll outperform your competitors and reach your goals. That's all for today. Feel free to let us know in the comments which tool impressed you the most and why. Share your experiences. We're looking forward to reading them. Subscribe to not miss any of our future videos, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Also, share it with your friends and community. Together, we can reach new heights and create a future where success is accessible to all. Thank you for your support and see you soon on our channel.